Hi, I'm Mark with HEALTHandMED.com, and today I would just like to speak to you about output voltages in ionic detox machines. We know, according to Bohr's model of the atom, that ionic detox machines should achieve a voltage of 13.6 volts at least in order to provide good ionization. That's because it takes 13.6 electron volts for an electron to overcome the pulling power of the water molecule and join with the hydrogen atom. So these hydrogen anions are what we need to circulate throughout the body. As these ions circulate throughout the body, they can attach themselves to oppositely charged toxins in the body. Then your body can eliminate the toxins through its normal natural ways of urination, defecation, and perspiration. Many machines on the market do not have 13.6 volts on the display. If they do, they are often fake readings. So today I'd like to show you some examples of what I'm talking about. Here we have an ion cleanse machine by AMD. This machine is equipped with a voltage display and a current display. Notice that the voltage is listed here as 14.80 volts. However, we have connected a voltmeter to the two electrodes of the AMD ionizing array. The voltmeter displays a voltage of 8.4 volts. Therefore, the voltage display on the ion cleanse machine is not a real measured voltage, but actually a calculated voltage that is based on the current. It is a fake voltage. The 8.4 volts is not sufficient to provide good ionization. This is the AMD ion cleanse hooked up to one of the HEALTHandMED ionizing arrays. Again, the voltage is near 14 volts on the screen, but on the voltmeter closer to 8 volts. Here we have the Ionizeme Max attached to the AMD ionizing array. Notice that our machine shows a voltage of 20.7 volts, and at the level of the voltmeter it's 19.2 volts. There is about a 5% drop in voltage as you go from the machine to the array, but 19 volts is quite sufficient to provide good ionization. The same is true when we attach the Ionizeme Max to one of our HEALTHandMED ionizing arrays. Still, the voltage is 20 plus volts at the machine and 19 plus volts at the voltmeter. By the way, many people worry about the electrical safety of ionic detox machines. It turns out that they are perfectly safe. The reason is, as you can see, this ionizing array has exposed electrical wires. As I dip the ionizing array in the water, and my fingers are also in the water, there is no shock occurring. Why not? Well, the reason is because electrical current likes to go to the direction of least resistance, just like human beings. We like to take the easy path. And electrical current is the same way. The current is going from metal to metal, and it is not going to head to the human body. While we're on the topic of output voltage, I should mention that many machines on the market today have what is called dual polarity operation. In other words, they have the ability to change the current flow going from one electrode to the other electrode inside the ionizing array. There is absolutely no benefit to this feature. It doesn't change the way the ions are produced. It doesn't make them more positive, more negative. It has no benefit. However, it could have a disadvantage because it takes time to switch from one polarity to the other, and during that short 1 to 2 second period of time, you're not getting optimum output voltage and ionization. So, in summary, with the ionize.me Max, you can always be sure of getting the maximum ionization. Thank you very much.